Turning 30 doesn't mean your best days are behind you. But it does mean your body starts playing with a new set of rules. Foods you once devoured without a second thought. Now, they could be silently working against your health, metabolism, and energy levels. In today's video, we'll reveal the 10 foods you should stop eating after age 30 and what to replace them with so you stay lean, sharp, and full of life. This isn't about guilt. This is about fueling your next chapter the smart way. Welcome to our channel where we help you eat smarter, live stronger, and feel your best at every age. Let's dive in. 1. Refined sugar. You've heard it before, but after 30, sugar's impact multiplies. Refined sugar doesn't just give you empty calories. It spikes your blood sugar, leads to insulin resistance, and is a major driver of chronic inflammation. According to a study published in JAMA Internal Medicine, consuming too much added sugar increases your risk of dying from heart disease even if you're not overweight. It's not just candy and soda. Sugar hides in salad dressings, low-fat yogurt, protein bars, and even pasta sauce. Over 60% of processed foods contain added sugar. Swap it with raw honey or maple syrup in moderation. Monk fruit or stevia. Fresh fruit for natural sweetness. Sugar doesn't just age your waistline. It ages your skin, brain, and energy. Cutting it is one of the most powerful things you can do post-30. 2. White bread and refined carbs. Refined carbs like white bread, pasta, and pastries might taste comforting, but your body processes them just like sugar. These foods cause rapid spikes in glucose, leading to crashes in energy, mood swings, and fat storage. After 30, your insulin sensitivity naturally begins to decline, making it harder to regulate blood sugar. A 2017 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that diets high in refined grains are linked to abdominal fat and type 2 diabetes. Refined carbs equals fast aging, foggy brain, and belly fat. Choose instead sprouted grain bread, brown rice or quinoa, sweet potatoes or oats. Your energy stays steady, your metabolism stays sharp. 3. Processed meats. Bacon, sausage, ham, deli meat. Processed meats are convenient but dangerous. According to the World Health Organization, processed meats are classified as Group 1 carcinogens, linked to colorectal cancer. They also increase your risk of heart disease and high blood pressure due to excessive sodium, nitrates, and preservatives. These compounds promote oxidative stress and accelerate cellular aging, especially risky after 30. Your hormones, skin, and heart health all pay the price. Try instead grilled organic chicken, wild-caught salmon, lentil or tempeh-based proteins. Food is fuel and processed meat clogs the engine. 4. Artificial sweeteners. Diet soda, sugar-free gum, zero-calorie snacks. They sound healthy, but artificial sweeteners like aspartame, sucralose, and saccharin may be doing more harm than good. Studies in Cell Metabolism and Nature show that these sweeteners can disrupt gut bacteria, increase cravings, and confuse your body's natural hunger signals. Gut health becomes more important post-30, as your microbiome plays a role in mood, metabolism, and immunity. Even worse, some sweeteners may impair insulin sensitivity over time. Try instead pure stevia, green leaf, erythritol or monk fruit. Or simply reduce your sweet tolerance over time. Sweetness isn't bad, but artificial sweetness tricks your body. 5. Margarine and trans fats. Margarine was once considered heart healthy until we learned the truth. Most margarines, especially older or cheaper ones, contain trans fats, which are now known to increase LDL, bad cholesterol, lower HDL, good cholesterol, and trigger inflammation. According to Harvard Health, trans fats are responsible for thousands of heart attacks every year. Check for partially hydrogenated oils on the label. That's a red flag. Trans fats are also linked to cognitive decline and memory issues as you age. Use instead grass-fed butter, ghee, avocado oil or extra virgin olive oil. Fats aren't the enemy, fake fats are. 6. Fried foods. Fried chicken, onion rings, deep-fried snacks. They're crunchy, flavorful, and full of oxidized fats, acrylamides, and advanced glycation end products. Ages, compounds linked to cellular aging and inflammation. A 2019 study published in BMJ showed that regular consumption of fried foods was associated with a significantly higher risk of early death, especially from heart disease. After 30, your liver and digestive system become less efficient at detoxifying. Fried foods create a burden. Try instead oven-baked veggies, air-fried chicken, sautéed meals with minimal oil. You can still enjoy the crispy texture without wrecking your arteries. 7. Frozen meals and fast food. We got it. Life is hectic. But when frozen meals and fast food become the norm, your health pays the price. These foods are loaded with sodium, additives, MSG, and preservatives that lead to bloating, brain fog, and fat gain. After 30, hormonal changes make it easier to store fat and harder to build muscle. These foods make it worse. A study in the Journal of Nutrition showed that people who ate the most ultra-processed food had a 32% higher risk of developing obesity. Instead, prep meals once a week. Choose low-sodium frozen options with clean ingredients. Keep grab-and-go healthy snacks ready. Food convenience shouldn't cost you long-term vitality. 8. Fruit juice. Orange juice sounds healthy, right? But most commercial juices are stripped of fiber and pack the same sugar punch as soda. Your body digests juice fast, causing rapid blood sugar spikes followed by crashes which can lead to weight gain and energy dips. After 30, the ability to regulate blood sugar efficiently begins to decline. A study from Harvard School of Public Health linked sugary drinks including fruit juice to a higher risk of type 2 diabetes. Choose instead. Eat whole fruit. Blend smoothies with fiber and protein. Infuse water with berries or citrus for flavor. Fruit is great, but keep the fiber in the mix. 9. Canned soups and sauces. Think that canned soup is a smart choice? Think again. Many are loaded with sodium, preservatives, and added sugar. Excess sodium raises blood pressure and heart disease risk climbs sharply after 30, especially in women. The CDC recommends no more than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day, but one can of soup can contain over 1,000 milligrams. Instead, make soup in bulk at home. Use low-sodium stocks and whole ingredients. Check for labels with under 400 milligrams sodium per serving. Your heart, kidneys, and skin will thank you. 10. Commercial ice cream. Store-bought ice cream is more than just sugar. It contains inflammatory oils, emulsifiers, and chemical stabilizers, all of which affect your gut, skin, and metabolism. After 30, fat storage shifts more easily to the abdomen. These sugar-laden treats don't help. According to a 2021 study in Nutrients, ultra-processed desserts are linked to higher risk of obesity, insulin resistance, and even cognitive decline. Try instead. Homemade banana ice cream. Greek yogurt plus berries plus dark chocolate. Avocado-based cacao mousse. Sweet cravings are okay, just be smart about how you satisfy them. Turning 30 isn't about slowing down. It's about leveling up. Your food choices now have a greater impact than ever on your energy, hormones, focus, and long-term health. Remember, food doesn't just feed your body, it fuels your future. So, tell us which of these foods surprised you the most. And what's one change you're making starting today? Drop your thoughts into the comments, we read every one. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon so you never miss a bit of nutrition wisdom. Until next time, eat smart, live strong.